So Kuru just launched their new 750Hz monitor and premiered it at CES 2025. So today in this video we are going to be checking that monitor out as well as some other best-selling products from their company. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So this right over here is the Kuru G7 750Hz 1080p gaming monitor. Now this features HDR 400 as well as a 95% DCI-P3 coverage. And not only that, this is a thin monitor and not too bulky despite it being 750Hz. And as you can see, we are doing a refresh rate test right over here, and as you can see, it is perfectly displaying the full 750Hz. Now along with that, you can see inside of the display settings, this also shows the 750Hz, so that means this is pretty legit. Now along with that, this has some ports, so this will have 3 HDMI 2.1 ports as well as a display port. And then this features a swiveling technology as well, so you can swivel your monitor left and right and up or down just like that, as you can see the hinge. Now if you guys do believe that 750Hz is too much for you, well this might be it for you. This is their new 32-inch OLED 240Hz 4K monitor. This has a 100% sRGB color gamut as well as 98% DCI-P3, with it having the AMD FreeSync Premium feature and compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync. Now on this monitor you will have 2 HDMI 2.1 ports as well as a display port, 2 USB 3.1 ports as well as a 90-watt Type-C charging as well, and a audio out. So basically this is a full spec monitor. Like, can you even believe it? Look at the color on the back as well. Like a full 240Hz 4K monitor in OLED display. That is super amazing. Now here is their 27-inch QHD OLED monitor. Now this features a 360Hz panel and also the same HDR 400, 98% DCI-P3 with AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. Now this 360Hz panel also features a split screen mode as well, so you can connect 2 desktops to use this, with it also having the same 2 HDMI ports, 1 display port, 90-watt Type-C, 2 USBs, and an audio out. Lastly, here is the 49-inch ultra-wide 5K OLED monitor. Now this features a 240Hz curved refresh rate panel as well as HDR 400, 98% DCI-P3, and synced with AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. Now this also features their smart split screen technology, which you can connect 2 PCs at once and use them side by side. So you don't have to mess with 2 monitors, you can just use it in one. And along with that, they have also the same setup for ports, 2 HDMIs, 1 display port, 90-watt Type-C, 2 USBs, and an audio out. So thank you so much for Kuru for letting me review their monitors at CES 2025 booth, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe down below. Peace out.